Everyone, today sponsor of our video LAANPOLE, the company producing light bulb changer poles. I will show you exactly what it is. I think it's extremely nice quality, and I'll show you what the benefits of using this. The unit is come with a standard size for the regular light bulbs. You just simply push into it and squeeze the light bulb. The pole itself is retrievable and it can go up to 16 foot. I will show you. Also, these larger bulbs can be installed using this, just like that, and you can reach it sockets. Let's try to show you example. You don't have to use ladder just to use this pull, squeeze in. I gotta use two hands, of course, just as so. When you finish it, you just pull this back because the spring is allow you to fit bulbs in there. And to remove the bulb, you simply press it on and twist it out like this. So and pull the back. I remember work at construction and maintenance long time ago, and something like this was very nice to use. You can use the larger socket, and I'll show you what this can do. This is a larger bulb, G30, and you just slide this in as so and work. Also, this set is come with adapter. It's called socket adapter to change those in the soffit. I think the company should have better benefits if they use different type of adapters, just a screw-in adapter. But this is work. So this is a socket you attach to the flat part of the bulb, and when you finish, just pull this out. The string is included. Also, benefits on this to have it at home, that you can use it for the painting. This is very strong pole and it's very light, just as so. And of course you can reach the hard rigid spaces. I will show you extension how that works. So there's the clips over here. Everything's made out of aluminum, very light, very durable. I'm holding with my one left hand. I'm still has enough power to hold this. Very soft, very strong, and very light. And even if I hold it at the very end, I still can manage the reach of entire hole. And we're gonna drop the tape really quick. And there you go. It is 235 inches. It's a little over 16 foot. It's a very long piece. I very recommend this pole. The link is in description. I don't know what else can be used for anything, for the hard reach areas and spots. This what it looks like. Everything is made out of the strong plastic, PVC, very strong handle, approximately 1.5 inches in diameter. Have rubberized handles. Alright, thanks for watching. Everything is in description. Have a good day.